So girls will continue.
Miss, I did it all it's right.
Judy, you told me that number D, you got it wrong. What did you get the answer as? Number D?
I got it as -10.
But see, when both are negative, both are same sign, your answer has to be positive. How it goes in multiplication? You don't take the value of the bigger number, not like addition and subtraction.
Okay.
So C, it will be minus because they are opposite. Now E and F, you know that for E and F, 5 times you need to do the simplification.
Oh.
What is it for E and F? 5, it's minus 25 over 5. 5 times 1 and 5 times 5. Why the answer has to be minus 5? Because opposite sign. One is plus, the other is minus. Coming here, when they give like this, they gave you common. They did not say the minus sign is with which number. But actually, there is one negative and one positive, or it's negative. 2 times 1. You don't see two minus signs. 2 times 4. So answer is?
-4.
4.
Okay.
All right. Scuba diver descends. What is the meaning of descends, girls? Minus 63. Right?
Yes.
Because it is descend. Descend means coming down. In 18 seconds. In how many seconds? In 18 seconds. What integer represent the change in the diver's position per second? Per second means in each second, 1 second. So it means I have to divide 63 by 8. You can even go with the simplification method, or if you want, you can go with division method, girls, this way. I will go with first simplification method with 3. 3 times, what is 18? Come on. 3 times 3 times what?
6.
18. Come on, tell me.
6.
6. Do you have to think so much for this? Next. This is 6. So 3 times 2. I'll just write 2 above 6. 3 times 2. 3 times 1. Now, 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 7, 21. I got 7 over 2. 7 over 2. 2 times 6, 1 point and 0. 2 times 5, 10. 0. Your answer is 3.5. Why it is minus 3.5? Because it was minus 63 over 18. Because it was minus 63 over 18. Girls, if you like, you can even directly do 18 and 63. You can even directly divide this way. Any method.
Okay.
Shall I clear this out?
Yes.
Everyone right? Judy, Dana, Noor, Muhammad.
Yes. I did it.
Others, where are they?
We don't.
Did they attend other classes?
Yes.
Some.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now. Coming to the next question. Which of the following are equal to minus 7? They want the answer as minus 7. Girls, here both are negative. Both are negative. Your answer cannot be negative. It will be plus 7 or just 7 if you can. This answer is 0. This answer is minus 7 because 1 negative and 1 positive. Again, here 3 times 1 and 3 times minus 7 again. One is positive, the other is negative. This one, it is plus 7. So your answer is, okay?
Okay.
Next page.
Miss,
Yes?
page what?
Girls, please tell her the page number, practice problem solving.
55. 55.
Yes. Now here, girls. Answers are here, but I need to show you
Miss, what?
how do you get it. Girls, everyone know that 16 divided by 4 is 4. So when I do minus 16 divided by 4, 4 times what gives you 16? 4 times what gives you minus 16? 4 times what gives you minus 16? Can anyone tell me? 4 times what gives me minus 16? Judy, 4 times which number gives me minus 16?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Who is this? Noor?
Yeah.
Good. You need to put minus 4 here. Why minus 4? Because if this is positive, the other must be negative, get a negative answer. If one is positive, the other must be negative to get a negative answer. That's what 4 times minus 4, I wrote minus 16. So minus 16 divided by 4, opposite sign, I will get minus 4 as an answer. Understood?
Yes.
Somebody's typing.
No.
My voice is lagging.
No.
I think maybe there is a problem in your internet because I think everything is okay here. Now, coming to 56 and 7, girls. What do you see in the question? Is it negative both or both are opposite sign?
I can't.
Both are negative.
Both are negative. That means 7 times what is 56? First of all, you must be very good at tables. 7 times what gives me 56?
7 times 10? 8, I mean 8.
Yes. So 1 is negative. To get a positive answer, don't you think so the other must also be negative?
Yes.
Because if I, instead of this minus 8, if I write plus 8, the answer has to be minus. But here,
Yes.
you're getting, yes, you get minus 56. So when minus 56, that means what will I do? I will remove this minus. Now, girls, will I get minus 56? Minus 7 times minus 8, I want minus 56. What do I want? Minus,
56.
they have given, it's minus 7. So other has to be plus 8. Other has to be plus. If they gave you 7, so other has to be minus 8. If it was like that, but it's not that. That's why minus 7 times 8 gives you minus 56. Now, if both are negative, you get a positive answer. I hope you understood this procedure.
Just wait.
Yes, I understand it.
Wait.
Now here, simple girls, 42 over minus 7. One is positive, the other is negative. Of course, the answer will be negative 6.
How?
Is the
Uh-uh,
expression
okay.
undefined? It is defined. It is a simple question. It is not undefined. No. If not, find the quotient. We will find the quotient and we got minus 6. Classify the quotient. Minus 50 divided by 5. Girls, I can ask these questions in the test. Minus 50 divided by 5. Is the answer positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. Any question, why do you say positive? One is negative, the other is positive. Opposite sign, you get a negative answer. Next, a company loses $780 as a result of shipping delay. The 6 owners of the company must share. So you must divide that loss in 6 people. So 780 divided by 6. This is the expression how you write. And when you divide 780 over 6, you get 130. 130. And of course, the sign must be minus. Why, girls? Why is it minus?
One is positive.
Miral, will you say me why do I write minus 780 here? Why do I write minus 780 here?
Because loses minus.
Because it is losing. That's what. It is losing. That's why the word loses. Loses means it has to be minus 780. And you will divide here. You have to show the working, girls. You have to show the working. 780 divided by 6. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 3. 6 times 0. 0. So your answer is $130 minus $130. The questions are very, very simple, girls. Here, the price of a stock steadily decreased, minus 127 because it is decreased over 15 months divided by 15 months. Your answer is C. Any questions? Stop me here. Zach goes parachuting and descends. Descends means going down.
Minus.
Yeah, 24 in 2 seconds. So per second means you will divide. 24 divided by 12, you get this expression, girls. Because it's descending, it's minus 24 divided by 2. So your answer gets minus 12. All right?
Okay.
Are you writing with me? The expression.
Yes.
This is called expression. When you just write and you don't solve like this, it is called expression.
Okay.
This, girls, you have to just show on the number line. Please just write down. I don't want to explain you much here. 8 divided by 4 is minus 2. You need to show here minus 2. Both are negative, so answer is positive 3. You will show here this is positive 3. Where is positive 3? Here. Then 0. It's at 0 exactly. This is both are minus, means your answer is plus 5. You will show here plus 5. Opposite sign, 36 divided by 9, minus 4. Come here to minus 4 and write down 36 divided by 9. Again, 9 divided by 0, 0. 0 divided by anything, again 0. Anyways, guys, these two are undefined. When you divide in the denominator, when you find 0, like minus 4 divided by 0 and 9 divided by 0, these are called undefined. What is it?
Undefined.
So, any questions in this one?
No, thank you.
Am I going fast?
No.
It's okay, Noor. Can I go to the next page?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, Dana. The temperature in a town increased. Increase means plus in 3 hours. The temperature decreased 31 in the next 8 hours. That is 16 minus 31, girls.
Okay.
Minus 31 because first it was plus 16 and then it was
Minus 31.
minus 31. So let us do 16 minus 31. Do it and tell me 16 minus 31. What is the answer? 16 minus 31 is minus 15, girls. If I say 16, why did I do 16 minus 31? Because first they told it is plus 16 because it was increasing. Then minus 31. So my answer is minus 15. And that I need to divide by 13 hours. Why 13 hours? Because you will add up the hours. You will add the hours. Like 8 plus 5 gives me 13 hours. And then you need to divide it. Minus 15 over 13. Got it?
Yes.
Very simple, girls, this one. Kamal takes a rock climbing class. On first outing, she rappels down the side of a boulder in 3 equal descents. 3 equal. Girls, what is the number given here on the elevation? It's not clearly written on my
Miss Even,
It's written here.
3 equal descendants.
On the hill, here, elevation, how many feet it is here? What is the number given here?
165 feet.
How much?
165.
So they said 165. She did in 3 equal descents. She's climbing, she's going up. She's going up. But then she rappels down the side of a boulder in 3 equal descents. Down the side means your answer has to be in minus. 3 equal descents means I'll divide by 3.
3. Okay.
So it's 165 divided by minus 3. So your answer is minus 55. I hope you understood.
Yes.
Did you see, girls, like from the beginning, your base is very good. You know that opposite signs and same signs. So you are getting answers quickly. You don't have to think much. I took a lot of time for this lesson, for this unit. Actually, I have to finish 2 weeks ago. But I did not, because if you don't get this one, later in the higher grades, you will have problem.
Okay.
All right. Do you have assessment practice?
Yes.
Okay, try to do by your own because I don't have same questions here. And if you have some question, you can ask me later. All right?
Miss, no, I think it's same.
Now it's same. Okay, anyways, no problem. I will.
I think one question is the same. The second one, I don't think so.
Miss, I can't hear you.
At all, my dear? You cannot hear me at all?
Miss, I can't hear you.
Dishan, because your place doesn't have a very
Proper internet or proper network.
yeah.
That's why. Because others, they can hear me properly. I think that.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, today it's working well for me. And really, if it doesn't work, I directly go for my mobile and I just do the mobile data. Because that's what I can do. Okay. Now we have last topic, that is divide fractions. Divide integers we have done. We have last topic of this lesson, divide fractions, rational numbers, regular numbers. No, we also have 110. Allah, I don't know why did this. Who's typing? Yeah.
No more.
Yes, you can. Girls, rational numbers, when I say that you must know how to open the mixed fractions and you must know how to convert them into decimals. That's very important. When I talk about rational numbers, you must know the basics must be there with the, what do you call as, so the number line shows the movement of glacier that retreats 8 meter every year. Every year it retreats 8 meter because they cannot go with everything together. They just do 8 meters. How could you use division to represent the yearly change in glacier position over the next 4 years? So I have 32. See, the number line is 32.
32.
Means I must divide with 8. Why must I divide with 8? Because every year they go with 8 meters. So 32 divided by 8. And it will be minus 32 divided by minus 8. Minus 32 divided by minus 8, that is plus 4. And here, how could you use division to represent the yearly change in the glacier's position over the past 4 years? When I say next 4 years, it is minus 32. If I say past 4 years, which is gone, that means because everything is clear here. Can you see in the picture? The clear part is what is past because they have cleared already. That means plus 32. Okay?
Okay.
Question C, just put a cross mark. The number line, I'm not bothered much. Girls, overall, how do you feel in teachers? How is it? Confused?
Not easy.
It's easy,
Very.
but
Miss, your voice is
you all
loud.
get confused and
Your voice is lagging.
yes, even I feel from my side now. I can continue tomorrow, girls, with this class, okay? And after 5 minutes, I'll be there for your science class. I will try to fix it.
Okay.